Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extract any page from a PDF in just 10 seconds without installing any software or using complicated tools. But before we dive in, if you are new to my channel, kindly support the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell notification icon for videos like this. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you. So to extract any page from a PDF, I'm going to use the Windows 10 Autopilot PDF for demonstration, okay? So I'm going to open that, and this is the Windows 10 Autopilot PDF, okay? So let's say if I want to extract only page 34 from this PDF, this page from the PDF, I'm going to click on the print. Then at the name, I'll leave the Microsoft Print to PDF, okay? And then I'm going to click on the pages, and then I'll specify the page I need from the PDF file, so page 34. And then I'll click on OK. So now I'm going to specify the location I want to save the file, okay? That is the desktop. And I'm going to leave the file name Windows Autopilot in details, okay? And then I'll click on save. Okay, so let me close this PDF. And then if I go to my desktop, we've extracted only that particular page from the PDF, okay? So let me open it and then we see it. So I'm going to open it. Okay, I'm going to rotate it. So this is how the PDF looks like, okay? So we've extracted only the page 34 from the 48 pages of the Windows Autopilot, okay? So this is how to extract any page from the PDF. This brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find this guide helpful, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.